right, so we have line L that passes through 2 points, and we want to write the equation of a new line that passes through a new point, and that is parallel to the original line. Now, the first step in a problem like this is to take the first 2 points from our first line and to find the slope between them. I'm going to go ahead and label these 2 points x1, y1, and x2, y2. And we should remember that the formula for slope is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now that we have it labeled, we can go ahead and put those numbers in. So our y2 is -7, and our y1 is 5, so -7 minus 5. And on the bottom, x2 is 4, and we're going to put minus. X1 is -2. I'm going to put the -2 in parentheses. And when we work out the numbers, -7 minus 5 is -12. And 4 minus -2, well, that's really 4 plus 2, which is 6. We can go ahead and simplify that fraction and get the slope of our original line is -2. All right. So the next part, well, we know that the new line is parallel to the original line. And parallel means same. Same slope. So we can take the slope of our original line, which is -2, and use that to find the equation for the new line. Now, the easiest form of a line to write when you have a slope and a point is point slope form. But the equation, or sorry, the question wants it in slope intercept form. So we're going to have to put our point and the slope into point slope form and then convert it into slope intercept form. So I'm going to go ahead and down here where it says point slope, I'm going to go ahead and put our numbers, which are -2 for m and 1 and 3 for x1 and y1. I'm going to put those numbers in. So we're going to have y minus, and our y1 is 3, equals, our slope is -2, so let's put that in front, times x minus, and our x1 is 1. So now what we need to do is we need to distribute this -2 to the x and to the -1. And I'm going to write it over here. So we're going to have y minus 3, that part didn't change, equals -2 times x, well, that's just -2x. -2 times -1, that's +2. Now we're almost there. We just need to get this -3 to the other side. That way y is by itself, like we have in our slope intercept form. So to do that, we're going to add 3. Oops, that's supposed to be a 3 there. Oh no, I got rid of the other 3. Add 3, add 3. And when we do that, we're going to have y by itself equals, the -2x stays the same, and 2 plus 3 is 5. And that is how you would get the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line parallel to another line. So again, anytime you're given 2 points and you want to find the equation of a different line, first find the slope between those 2 points. If you're given parallel, it's the same slope. Perpendicular, it's opposite reciprocal. And then just put it into point slope form and then convert it.